Let's get start demo first. So this is one session where I will implement this, design of that, whatever text. So that will implement, that's very simple. Whatever text you want to just, as a design text, you can just convert to design text. So look like this. Okay, so I just convert over here this, my tools as well, my channel name as well. Also I just mention whatever version, as like, you also see in this, the angular tools or other tools as well, like they showing there's a version with this the design name as well as their version. So that I will implement. How we can implement easy. So let's get start. Nothing we have to do, one package we required. So let's open Visual Studio. I'll show you from the scratch, and let me create a new project. Create a console application. You can use in web application as well. So web application, Blazor application, whatever, application you want, which is showing in the UI, you can show, you can use that one also. But as a demonstration, I will show you in our console application. So I'll use that console and use next and choose whatever next. Use .NET 8, whatever you have, you can use it. It is not dependent on any framework, so you can just create it. This is very straightforward application. Say nothing we have, just we have a program.cs file. If you run this application, just you can see that console.write line hello world. That's it. So now what you need to do, it's simple. Go to manage package, NuGet package, and here you need to search Figgle font. So just search for Figgle. Let me zoom in for you. So this is that, this is the package, and this is actually open open source, so you can use easily. As well as it is given this Apache, so this is also free. Don't worry about that, there is no any paid library. It's a free library, so you can just use this one. Also if you use Figgle font as well, that also whatever Figgle font is there, you can just use it. Like for example this one also it's working one, but I will use this Figgle font. Just installed, apply, done. Once it done, what you need to do, go back to your console, program.cs file. Here just remove whatever we have, you just write the text. So how we can do that? Simply you can just print a console write line, and here what you can do, just you, okay, so let me show you. Just first just store in a variable, like it is a string. So let me store as a string. For example, convert my text into design, right? So it could be a whatever name, you can just put it over here. I just name it a converted my text. And here what I need to do, I need to use Figgle fonts dot standard. Now see, if you see, these are all the not this one, like for example dot. When you press dot, you will see many design actually. So those are a design. Whatever you want to design, you can just use it. Many design over, like alpha design, you want to print, you want to show the avatar. I'll show you 2 or 3 example, but yeah, I'll just use first a standard, because it is have a standard which is follow everyone. So standard, and then render, use that render method. And here you need to pass whatever text you want to convert. So what I want to convert, I want to convert my tools, or whatever your tools name, up to you. For example angular, also I can use that angular, for example angular. And that's it. And finally you just need to write in here, save, just run your application. Now you are able to see that now whatever text you just convert it to your design, right? So this is a standard font, so that's why it's showing like that. If you want to change something, for example I want to change some 3D, or something what we saw that time, alpha, right? So let use alpha and run this again. You will to see now it's something messy, right? Because it's not could not understand like what. So but yeah, idea is whatever design you want you can just use it as per your here. And also I'll just use a avatar as well. Let me show you how's that avatar look like. So yeah, avatar also is pretty much understandable like how what is that. Okay, so that is fine. So based on this you can just change it. And as the demo I show you, some design as well, so that I'll show you like how we can achieve it is console application. It's very simple. First I what I want to do, I just use a console foreground, so I just add a red so that whatever text I want to print, as of now it's a byte, right? So I want to change it to red, so I just convert it to red. Then what I need to do, print some version as well, like whatever Angular version, right? So I want to show you, like suppose that my tool's name is Angular and whatever Angular version is there, so that also I want to print it, right? So let me add some let me first reset. Suppose, see, I want to show that it is a red color, but I don't want to show further uh, further text is should not a red color. So what I need to do, I just reset this color. And then what I need to do, I just show some version, like this is a version of that my tools, whatever my custom tools. Okay, and then what I need to do, I just set some package or something, whatever related things, right? So it is very simple. Whatever name, you just set your margin. So based on this your margin, it will actually show that name and header like that. And then whatever header you want to show that value inside, also you can set that margin and this like this. And simple, just run. And if you see over here, see, this is like that look like Angular version is this and name is this, and their version is also this. Package is dependency package over there, so I can right over there. And just let me change to avatar to standard so that it's looks good for a visualization perspective. So see, now it's looks good, right? And let me zoom in for you as well. So this actually we can achieve, like for example in real world example, like suppose I just create a one tools, but that tools definitely, if start up everybody run this application our tools, and they want to, they don't know like okay, what kind of tool. So then we can just write this, look feels better, so that everybody can see and understand okay, it is a professional tools, right? So that's why I just create this session. So also this is for fun, so you can just use it whatever place you want. And this is not only just console application. Okay, so this Figgle font actually that package. So once you include this package of any application like web application, Blazor on MVC or Razor View engine, so you can just add over there, and just similar code you can just write and get, and then as a string you can just print it. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Have a nice day, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.